Hi. So you already read about hand shapes, location, movement, etc., the different parts of a sign. So do you understand? Now we'll test and see if you can recognize the difference between two similar signs. Number 1. Dry, ugly, summer. Again, number 1. Dry, ugly, summer. What's the difference? Number 2. Onion, apple. Again, onion, apple. Number 3. Scared or scary, breathe. Again, to the side. Scared, breathe. Scared, breathe. What's the difference? Number 4. Class, family. Again, class, family. Number 5. Late, not yet. Late, not yet. Number 6. Bathroom, where. Again, bathroom, where. Number 7. Red, sweet. Again, red, sweet. Number 8. Please, sorry. Again, please, sorry. Number 9. Yours, mine. Again, that's your, yours, my, or mine. And number 10. School, nice. Again, school, nice. Okay, and that's 10 questions, so I hope that you got them right. You can check your answers down in the description of this video. You'll find the answers, you can check them off. And if you liked this activity, please let me know. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching and reading. Bye.